Ready?
Yep.
Oh, it's gonna be a good drive. Oh yeah.
Lizard.
This one's pretty good. You try it?
Sure. Trade.
Hell yeah. Ooh.
I like mine more.
Yours is pretty good.
Lizard.
Damn it.
Oh shit. This is gonna be a good day. So we are headed to, I believe it's pronounced ROWENA'S CREST, down along the Columbia, or ROWENA'S Viewpoint, something like that. It's down in Oregon, along the Columbia River, so it should have some absolutely gorgeous views, and hopefully some really good driving based on the Google Maps layout. So that's where we're headed right now. Took a random exit off of Interstate 84 and went to see, all because of you, to go see Multnomah Falls. It's gorgeous.
Yes.
The whips are holding up. They're still pretty clean. Oh yeah, yours is staying clean too.
Yeah.
Solid.
Don't get my tape.
What?
Don't get my tape in there.
Oh yeah, I'm not gonna go around that side. That's fine. Oh, I already got a bug spot. Dude, those middle lanes on I-5 are brutal. Yeah, I don't know if I'm rubbing. I think I only rubbed for a little while and then I'm good, because none of this looks all that fresh. The fender liner is also fine. There he is. He's gonna be all mad. He's gonna honk. Is he gonna honk? I knew it!
The waterfall you were talking about.
Yes, it is. Worth it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe
Better.
not the fact that I'm low on gas now, but
Well, maybe if you didn't try to race me. Is that with your super zoom nonsense? Nice. So this dude fills up his sport injected Civic with regular gas. Now we have to go buy octane booster.
it won't be that bad, right?
No, it won't be that bad. It's like $10 a bottle or something like that at most.
Well, no, I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about my motor.
No, you'll be fine. As long as you put octane booster in it, there won't be any issues.
How much?
Just the whole bottle.
One bottle or two bottles or three
One
bottles?
bottle. One bottle is fine. Oh shit.
Lizard.
It's not gonna do anything?
What do you mean it's not gonna do anything?
We're not, like, my car's not gonna blow a fuck up?
No, it's not gonna blow up. This is what people run when they have performance cars.
Oh, you've got to.
At least you filled it up with half premium, half.
Yeah, it
Regular.
was like 3/5
Or was it?
regular. It was like 5.5 gallons.
Ooh,
of,
look at that Honda sticker, bruh.
You know, it was like 5.5 gallons of regular.
Dude, wasn't that drive sick?
Yeah.
Oh my
It
gosh.
Look at that.
That's ridiculous. I think that's 84 down there.
Look.
Yeah, that's our road, dude.
Was that the road?
That's
we
our
came up?
road. Yeah, that's the
Or is that the
U
one we're
loop
going
right
down?
there. What? Dude. Bruh.
Wait, but chili chaps.
Bruh. Oh shit.
Sniffing your ass over there.
Look at the whips.
I am. Look at our cars.
We're going down that big hairpin right there that those cars are coming.
Yeah, I see that.
Right down there.
Oh, that's sick, dude.
Right there. Dude, look at that. It's so good. Okay, now is prime time. Now is prime time. The sun's below the clouds. I'm enjoying it.
Oh, what the fuck?
Okay, so we're gonna follow, just map to the Dalles, but instead of getting on 84, just stay straight. And then we'll take 30 all the way into town. Let's go! Should be good. Oh, dude.
such an ass, dude. I can't believe this. It's 55. This is a 55-mile-an-hour road. This is crazy to me.
Oh, now he gives it gas?
What? Well, that's news to me.
Yeah.
What the?
Lizard.
What the?
Lizard.
What are you doing down there? What's that? Ah, don't shove it up my ass.
Shove it up his ass.
No, no, no. Ow, ow, those are sharp.
It's not that.
Like that. He's like,
I don't know.
Oh God, that was so much fun. That was so much fun. That was a good day of driving. I enjoyed that.